Did you know you can make money online in under an hour with just one Facebook post? Yes, it's that simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Whether you need some extra cash for holiday shopping or want a year-round side hustle, this method works like a charm. Although this video focuses on creating custom greeting cards for the holidays, the beauty of this strategy is that it's versatile. You can use it for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, baby showers, and so much more. It's a quick, fun, and creative way to turn a profit without breaking a sweat. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing a bonus tip on how to upsell your services and maximize your earnings. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. All right, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating custom cards, printing them, and making your first sale, all in under an hour. First, head over to canva.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing anything from social media posts to greeting cards, and the best part? It's super beginner-friendly. Click on Create a Design and search for Christmas Family. Then, select the 5x7 template option. This will give you a ton of pre-designed templates to choose from. Some free, some premium. Pick one that fits the vibe you're going for. For this example, I'm choosing this clean, festive template here. Now, it's time to personalize the card. Add your customer's family name to the design and upload the family photo they provided. Canva's drag and drop editor makes this process super simple. Play around with the font, colors, and layout if needed to give it a polished, professional look. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to download it. You'll need to save the file as a PDF for printing. I use Photoshop for this step, but if you don't have Photoshop, don't worry. There are plenty of free tools online that can convert your file to a print-ready PDF. Next, go to bestvaluecopy.com where we'll handle the printing. Select the Color Copies option and input the specifications. 5x7 size, single-sided, and printed on 80-pound glossy paper. Be sure to select Full Bleed. This ensures your design extends to the edges without leaving a white border. Add the number of copies your customer requested to your cart. Next, upload the PDF file that you created earlier on Canva. When you're ready to check out, enter your customer's address as the shipping address so the cards go straight to them. Then, input your own address and billing information. Now let's talk pricing. To figure out how much to charge, take the total printing cost, double it, and add shipping. For example, if the cards cost $10 to print and shipping is $5, you'd charge your customer $25. That's a solid profit, and you've only spent about 10 or 15 minutes on this process. With just one Facebook post, advertising custom holiday greeting cards, you can start getting orders from friends, family, and even strangers. Post examples of your designs, offer a quick turnaround time, and let people know you handle everything from design to delivery. This is a great side hustle. It can bring in extra cash during the holidays. And before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip to help you maximize your earnings. Upselling through design upgrades. When working with customers, offer premium design options for an additional fee. This could include creating matching sets for multiple occasions, or offering to design a completely custom card from scratch instead of using a template. You can also suggest bulk orders for occasions like family reunions, weddings, or corporate events. These upsell options let you increase your profit without adding extra steps to the process, as everything is handled before the cards are sent to print and shipped directly to the customer. By offering these premium upgrades, you'll not only boost your earnings, but also give your customers a personalized experience they'll love. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick money-making tips. Now it's your turn. Head to Canva, get designing, and start making money today. See you in the next video.